mostly on coconut gypsies in Santo, Vanuatu.
Thank you, Aina and Ross. That's beautiful.
No way.
Steelberg. That's peanuts. Yeah. Wow.
And you got some peanuts growing in the middle here. Look. Wow, that's amazing. I grew this at home. I had it in a bucket, and then and then we it was growing
Yeah, spring onion, huh?
Spring onion.
Yeah.
That's spring onion. Corn over there.
Corn.
yeah.
You can see the fruit on top, right on top. That's the nabel.
Ah, yes.
Cut it split open.
Yep. That's what the
Maybe they're ready or not ready. We'll open it up and then we'll see.
We used to sell that for him. Breadfruit and jackfruit and durian, all that kind of stuff. His mum told me she used to eat that all the time in Samoa. Yes, that's it. Hello, Judy.
No one here. No, Auntie Susie. Only the granddaughter.
Jeez.
The toilet is over there.
Oh, okay, yeah. We'll go over there. So we swim here. Yeah. Beautiful, isn't it?
Oh my goodness. Look how deep it is. That is so blue. It's toilets and change rooms. Change rooms. And toilet. The flush toilet. Good to know.
Vanuatu style, coconut gypsies in a big place, cool water, sunshine smile, Jackie's blue pool, cool, 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 sunshine dancing, island jewel, Jackie's blue pool, cool, 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 Santa love keeping I and I full. Oh,
Hello. Thank you for having us. Oh, it's beautiful. You don't want to leave.
Yeah, some people would come in and they'd say, Sorry, my name's Susie.
Yep, that's
Yeah,
you.
let's say, Susie, did you put some food coloring?
Yeah, you're not.
I said, I don't know if I have to put food coloring. I don't know
Yeah.
how many bottles should I need.
So you tell everyone you're not tell your secret.
Yeah, that's what
Climb this and then.
Yeah.
One more.
Hello.
Okay. We just go slow.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Nice and slow.
All part of the adventure.
Yeah. Rain cow.
We can go slow and you can all talk more and I go to sleep.
Ah la la.
That's alright, what's look.
Well,
Okay,
so
good.
just saying how healthy you look for your age. You're nice and strong.
Yeah.
You had a good wife. He's up here. He's
Thank you.
61.
But because I ran away from him, I'm studying in Fiji.
Anyway, thank you so much.
Oh, thank
Oh
you
no,
guys.
thank
Thank
you.
you,
I
thank you.
love
You
it.
made it. We loved it.
Beautiful day. Absolute beautiful
Very good,
day.
yeah.
For the donation, fractional
This tubeless.
tubeless.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Yeah.
The amount there
Yeah.
can take us back to local people.
Oh, okay.
So much. Thank you for
Yeah.
everything.
I love that.
Thank you, Edna. Nice meeting you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Baba. Take care. You be good.
Forward to
Yeah.
hearing
Thank you very
all of
much.
Your stories
Yeah.
and all of
Oh,
the new adventures.
Yeah.
The air inside the tire,
It go round.
it's enough
Yeah.
to take us back.
You just go slow. Yeah.
I let
Yeah.
you know when I'm
Yeah. We swam in another blue hole today that you could feed the fish. Yeah, you should see it. Happy birthday, Dominic. Happy birthday to you. All the way from Vanuatu.
Thank you. Oh, around this is. Wait.
We is off to
Is that
Mount
looking
Hope.
at?
Yeah, Mount Hope river float. It's going to be amazing.
Morning.
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 No, you go first.
No, you go.
Yes.
Yes, ready to go.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hello, how are you? Good and you? Roosters fan, huh? Oh no. It's the shirt. It's okay.
How are you?
Good and you?
Yeah, good, good.
Yes. By the way, my name is Manu.
Manu. Yeah.
And this is Fun.
Fun.
And on the,
Manu fun.
and on the side is Matias. And the driver is Sinok. So we drive about 1 hour drive go to Mount Hope.
Yep.
So we should, so because that's of Watson, we're gonna slow with you guys.
Yeah.
Because you come for holiday.
Yeah.
Sorry, boys.
Alles is swing.
any other head, don't worry about it. But this head she had for 20 years.
Thank you.
20 years. That cab. Time to let go, Joe. Time to let go. Thank you, my man.
Oh yes, Manoy, high small. Manoy, high small. Okay, before you go down, watch me how to go down and then you next.
Yeah.
Then you can down, just step right leg here and then left turn.
Done how long?
3 years.
Oh, 2 years. 3 years. And nearly every day. Wow. He's the man, look, no rope. Yeah.
Just something down right here. And come here, not some second, go start.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Wow. Left side.
Interesting one.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you about in the middle?
Down the right. Thank you, brother. Yeah.
Floating down Mount Hope is awesome. The boys are very trustworthy. You feel very safe.
Hey, babe. Hey, love. Oh, man. Okay. Beautiful.
Okay, so this one, It's a fresh peanut.
Okay.
And this one is a roasted peanut.
Okay.
And sweet potato chips. And taro chips.
Okay.
And this one is cucumber, grapefruit. And pineapple. And this one we call them nut.
Nuts. Oh yeah.
You don't eat the...
You eat like this.
Oh, you gotta peel.
Peel it and the white one inside.
Yeah. Look at the size of the cucumber.
When did you guys come? We come to our shop.
Okay.
Very bold.
Got it.
Hey, look.
Thank you, boys.
It's the mouse.
Oh. Yeah.
Come for lunch, huh?
Look. Oh, he come to us. Look.
Here it goes. In the jungle.
It's a itchy plant. It's not good for white
Touch. Yeah.
black,
Skin.
brown skin and white skin.
Yeah.
If you touch, you're gonna scratch you one full day and one full night.
What's the name?
We call them nangalat.
Nangalat.
Nangalat, yeah. Don't touch.
Don't touch
Don't
it.
touch it.
It's the electric fence.
Yeah.
When you walk, hands up.
Hands up. Don't touch, huh?
Yeah, don't touch.
Don't touch. Okay. Yeah, yeah. No, me, I'll touch it.
Right on time.
Yeah, thank you, Thomas.
Yeah, thank you, Thomas. Coconuts.
With bamboo straw.
Bamboo straw. Yeah.
Fabulous day.
Rest of your trip?
Yeah, thank you. Nice meeting you, Tom. Have a good one, eh? See you, brother. Yeah, very good.
Say, matey.
Go home and sleep.
You had a nap, huh? You had a nap.
Oh, thank you very much for today, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro. Yeah. Thank you, man. Thank you. Very good. Very good. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Yeah. Ah, you have a sleep, huh? Take care, man. Have a good one, man. Thank you very much for today. Boys were good.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Thank you very much.
See you, Tom.
See you, bud.
Good meeting you. Take care.